Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send an emoji to your channel on the Telegram app for PC using the newest update. It's a quick and simple process that adds some fun and personality to your channel messages. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you don't have it open yet, just launch it like any other program. Once inside, go to the channel where you want to send the emoji. This channel should be one you manage or have permission to post in. Next, look at the bottom of the screen in the chat input area. You will see a small emoji icon. Click on that icon to open the emoji panel. With the updated Telegram app, the emoji icon might appear twice or be part of a redesigned menu. So if you see it again, click the emoji icon once more to fully open the emoji selection. Now, browse through the available emojis and find the one you want to send. Telegram has a lot of options, including new animated and custom emojis if you have the latest update installed. When you find your favorite emoji, just click on it. After selecting the emoji, it will appear in your message input area. Simply click on the emoji inside the input box, or press enter to send it to your channel. Your audience will immediately see this emoji as part of your channel's message. That's it. Sending emojis on Telegram channels through the PC app is now easy and fun, especially with the new update that makes emoji access even quicker. Emojis can help make your messages more expressive and engaging for your subscribers. Remember, if you want to send multiple emojis or combine them with text, you can do so by repeating these steps or typing alongside the emoji before sending. Now you're ready to brighten up your Telegram channel with just a few clicks.